Instagram, Facebook. You know me, Martin, 202BeBroke.com, 202BeBroke.com. Hope you watch my videos. I had a couple of videos, worked on one for the T, worked for one with the student loan. And remember when I tell you, if there's a money problem, remember, when you're not guys aren't paying off your student loans, it's a money problem. So you guys need to get that taken care of. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. We will be as big as Grant Cardone, one subscriber at a time. I know. Here's some things like, why aren't you subscribing? Here's something I want you guys to write down. Why aren't you subscribing? Are you afraid it's going to cost you money? Yes. Are you afraid? Should be afraid. You should be afraid of not taking action. Cost you money? It's going to cost you money regardless. May be boring. I heard what he says. That's true. May have already heard what I said. I'm doing business someone else. Hey, so half of you guys are married and sleeping with someone else. Don't even use that with me. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.